Hashraph holder. So today video is gonna absolutely very important for Hedera Hashraph holder. So this is absolutely one reason to this video is very important for a holder of Hedera. The reason is that this is the absolutely dumping time. You can see here absolutely all cryptocurrencies start dumping. So all cryptocurrencies and those days are dumping, but why Hedera start dumping? Why? This is one big reason that I explain in this video. And let's get start this brand video. But before I get started this video, I request you to please click the subscribe button. If you get subscribe this channel, then I inform every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies. So let's get started the price prediction of last 1 hour. I gonna show you first of all, then I'll show you a 1 day result. Oh my goodness, absolutely all cryptocurrencies has go down, but one Hedera is going up absolutely, and those days if they can go up, then absolutely this is the fastest cryptocurrencies. So my goodness, this is you can see here plus 1.28% going up. So this is absolutely a very good chance. As you can see here, the price is a 0.3163 US dollar as the latest price. So this is absolutely gone up. So this is absolutely cross 1 US dollar. What you say, can they can cross 1 US dollar? Please share in the comment box. Okay, so first of all, I gonna show you the 1 day result and then decide if this is selling time or buying time. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box. Okay guys, oh my goodness, absolutely I am right. All cryptocurrencies as goes down, and those days Zeleka is also goes down. But again, at the end of this morning, at the end of 1 hour, I gonna show you the first. Already I show you 1 hour result, absolutely good. So if you can see here, this is minus 7.25% goes down. So this is not a bit. You can see here, if you all cryptocurrencies as go down. So this is the selling time. I request you to this selling time. I share my opinion, not ordered. This is just my opinion. What you doing, what you want, this is your decision, but I share my opinion. So guys, if you can see here, this bed dump, you can see here, and the graph result absolutely goes down. So this is, I think, just selling time. Please sell it and hold it and buy it the end of month. Sorry, just buy it at this time. Just buy it and hold it. I hope at the mid of month they can cross 5 US dollar to 10 US dollar. If they can cross 5 to 10 US dollar, then they can make you a millionaire. They can give you a good profit. They can give you a good profit. Absolutely, they give you a good profit. And just sell it at the end of this month. I hope they can give you a 10 to 15 US dollar. Absolutely, this is good for you if you sell it at the end of this month. This is just buying time, not a selling time. Just buy it and hold it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please click the subscribe button. I am updating you every hour, every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies. Just click on the subscribe. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.